the headshot. Trying to score a knockdown. Another. He's just brawling with JV on the ropes. JV just trying to. Oh, good right hand there.
Matapos ang tatlong sunod-sunod na panalo sa bansang Thailand, ay isang buwan lang ang lumipas ay muling pinasabak sa isang bakbakan na naman itong Pinoy na may bansag na fighting doktor na si JB Tuason. Isang professional boxer at isa ring licensed doktor itong si Tuason na tubong Metro Manila pero nanirahan na ngayon sa Amerika. Noong nakaraang buwan lang ang huli niyang laban sa Thailand na kung saan nanalo siya via majority decision. At noong Mayo 25, 2023 lang ay muli siyang napalaban sa isang veteranong Thai boxer na si Wicha Ulit. Di basta-basta itong Thai boxer dahil bukod sa veterano na ito sa basagan ng mukha ay veterano na din talaga ito sa bakbakan. May record itong 64 wins, 20 losses, 2 tabla, 28 via knockout, habang 4 wins, 4 losses, 2 tabla, 3 via knockout naman ang Pinoy. Sa record pa lang ay talagang malayo na ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Sobrang daming bakbaka na ang kinasahan nitong Thai boxer habang di ganon ka-eksperyensyado itong Pinoy. Kaya tila kumpiyansa itong Thai boxer na kayang-kaya niya itong dayong Pinoy. Bukod sa mas may karanasan siya ay sa baluarte pa nila gagawin ang nasabing laban. Pero sa gabi ng bakbakan ay muling pinatunayan ng Pinoy alias fighting doktor na siya ang mas matibay, magaling at malakas sa kanilang dalawa. 2 beses tinumba ang veteranong kalaban. Ating balikan ang laban ng Pinoy na si JV Tuason kontra veteranong Thai boxer na si Wicha Ulit.
Wicha Ulit from Thailand in the blue corner and JV Tuason 64 victories, 20 losses and 2 draws. So a crafty veteran facing young and up-and-coming hungry prospect, hungry fighter. Wicha so far. Good inside work there from JV. JV jab to the body. Wicha just shelling up, trying to push forward and trying to get on the inside with JV. Uppercut, left hook to the body. Jab there from JV, just putting the hand down on Wicha. Cleverly there, clever tactic. There from JV again with the uppercuts. Left hook to the next left for JV. Definitely caught the attention of Wicha. Right hook to the body as well. Right uppercut, sorry. Left uppercut, left hook lands as well. JV really trying to throw that right uppercut. It's his spring. There it is again, that right uppercut from JV, trying to do the right hand. Just didn't put the hand there. Left hook there from Wicha. Again from Wicha, left hook to the head as well. Again from the American fighter, back foot now. Really is trying to find a home for that right uppercut. JV's been building a lot of his combinations around it. Missing the left hook that time after the uppercut. Body work there from Wicha. Don't forget, this is set for 10 rounds, and that's the end of round number 1. Jab, landing with the straight jab. Left hook on the back foot here, lateral movement from JV, landing another trademark right uppercut from the American. Wicha just pushing forward like a juggernaut. Left hook right hand on the back foot from JV, again with the right uppercut, landing again. Left hook, slowing down. Good tactic from the Thai fighter. Let's see if he can put his game plan to work in round 2. Looks like he's doing good so far. Devastating body shot there from JV. Stay in the center of the ring and move back around his opponent. Left hook there from JV. Good hook to the body and hook to the head from JV. Vicha pushing forward on the front foot, keeping a high guard. Normally when fighters keep a high guard like this, they just get on the inside, throw the uppercuts and throw the hooks to the body, which is what Vicha had a lot of success with early on in the round. JV just walked away. Good evasion there from good tricky there from the American fighter. Vicha now trying to put the head from Vicha. JV answering back with his own hook to the body and left hook to the head. Right hook to the body from Vicha twice in a row now. Vicha really mid-side fighters. Good left hook to the body there, right hook. 3 hooks in a row there from Vicha. On 7 now, the Thai fighter. JV on the ropes. JV is just oh, good right hand there from JV, and that puts Vicha down, taking the knee, and is he going to get up in time for the next round for JV? 10 seconds to go now in round number 2. Americans showing a lot of dominance so far. A bit of frustration and taunting there from the Thai fighter, and that's going to do it for round. So don't forget, JV knocks down Vicha just at the end of round number 2. You've got to commend the heart of Vicha, who's not slowed down at all, and JV is going through the gears now, turning the screws hard in round 3. Trying to land with that right uppercut, landing with the overhand right. Good right uppercut there from JV, and a left hook too. Right hand to the body too from JV. As soon as Vicha clinches up, he's trying to punish JV with his body shot. Scorecard here, unofficial scorecard in the commentary box. Gasp of frustration there from Vicha, who's still maintaining a high guard and pushing the pace and popping forward, trying to close off JV, but JV showing a lot of toughness here. Hasn't budged too much from these body shots. Vicha landing with a right hook as well. That's really what sluggers like Vicha want to do. They want to punish you to the body so that your guard comes down and then they can just land a headshot. Trying to score a knockdown. Another knockdown there. It's the second knockdown in the fight. Vicha's able to recover for a couple of seconds and it really needs to rush on. JV and a right uppercut. Vicha trying to push forward here. Looks like the Thai fighter might be going out with his shield, but you've got to commend a fighter like that who's just trying to get back into this fight. But JV still coming back with some really hard shots to the body and to the head. More body work here from Vicha. Left hook there from JV, and it's another knockdown. The referee waving it off. Rightly so, good referee there from the referee. Left it all in there and went out with his shield. Putting a
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.